Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. If you remember in my previous video, I showed you that my Windows update wasn't working correctly and I was unable to download the full Creator update. As such, I've found a way to do it and I'm going to show you how. As you may have seen in previous videos, it's possible to download the Creator update, or any Windows update to be fair, by going to www.microsoft.com/en-us, that's English US, /software-download/Windows 10. I know that's a bit of a mouthful, but when you get there you'll see a screen like this. You have the choice to download the Windows 10 Full Creator Update now by clicking Update Now, or to use the Create Windows 10 installation media. So we're going to try the Update Now version and see how that goes. It gives me a Windows 10 upgrade 59252, so we'll just save that. Give it a moment to save, and then we'll double click that to open it up. User account control kicks in and asks me if I want to allow it to make changes. Obviously I do, so I'm going to say yes. Update to the latest version of Windows 10. One of the best features of Windows 10 is keeps getting better with every update. This PC is currently not running the latest and most secure version of Windows 10. This PC is running 15063. The latest version is 16299. We can help you get the latest security enhancements and feature improvements. Click Update Now to do so. So we'll click Update Now. It does a quick check on the PC, make sure my CPU, memory and disk space are fine, and then asks me to click Next. This may take some time, so I'll speed this up in post. Okay, it's now downloaded the update. It's now actually going to install the update. Okay, I've actually just opened the laptop screen because the laptop's usually closed and it's now installing the updates. It's currently sitting at 8%. So I'm currently recording off of a different source so that I'll be able to show you that. We're rebooting once more. I think this is reboot number 4. And it's still updating. We're now over an hour and 45 minutes for this update. And it looks like it's at 75%. We're at 98%. Hopefully that's it, nearly done. And we reboot again. Oh no, we don't. We just come straight into my desktop. So let's see if it's working. In fact, I'll jump over to my Mac and we'll grab a better screen capture. Okay, the final part of the process is complete. It now says, "Thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. This entire process has taken 2 hours and 2 minutes, which, considering I'm on a 200 meg download internet line, I dread to think what it must be for some people who don't have good internet." I'll just click exit on that. I'll run WinVer. And it shows me I'm running 16299.124 and the build is 1709, the latest version of Windows. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.